What's good, baby guys? It's SyVon.
It's your girl SyVon, and we are back with another video. Okay, guys, we are back with another video. If you all can see by the thumbnail and the title of this video, we are going to be doing a grocery haul for you all. So, with us moving and everything, you know, when you move, you need groceries, right? Because you can't take your old groceries to your new place. So you gotta get new groceries for your new place. You know what I'm saying?
I know what you're saying. Keep going.
Yeah.
Go ahead and spit some. Go ahead.
So yeah, guys, we just came back from the grocery store. We did like 2 trips. So, well, 2 baskets full of groceries, basically. So we got 2 baskets full of groceries. We only went to one store. I wanted us to go to a second store to get like some extra stuff, but y'all, you see this? All this, y'all see all this, and we tired. It's hot.
Just 2 of us. No kids, no nothing.
Nothing. So. All this is for us. So yeah, as you can see, one of Javon's favorite purchases.
Oh yeah.
Is the rice. That's his favorite.
Big boy.
That's his favorite purchase, and this is mine. Yay! So yeah, guys, we're gonna basically do a grocery haul for you all. We're gonna let you see what we got, some stuff we bought.
Yeah, basically our first time buying groceries for our apartment.
Yeah.
So the next few videos is gonna be a matter of fact, a lot of it is gonna be like that. First time doing this, first time doing that, first time doing this. So stay tuned, guys. Stay tuned. You know.
Yeah.
Journey with us. Is it me? And with that being said, like, comment, and subscribe so that YouTube can push our videos out. That's something that we're gonna start saying more often. So be aware of that. Like, comment, subscribe. All right.
Like, comment, subscribe, guys.
Like, comment, subscribe.
Thank you. So first thing first, come on, husband.
What are we doing?
We're going in the kitchen. Come on, husband.
I was just comfortable, bro.
That's all right. You'll be all right. So, guys, I'm in that big old box of trash.
Trash, guys. I'm gonna move it out of the way.
Y'all know how it is when y'all move and you know you got stuff everywhere. So
what's that?
That's stuff that the big containers came in. So the waters, babe, you can put the waters in here.
All right, so
yeah, we got.
So you gonna decorate this stuff?
No, I'm just gonna put the
light in there.
All
right,
yeah.
I get the water first.
Okay, so yeah, we're gonna put the waters in the pantry. We already have some stuff in the pantry already, but that's not how it's gonna be looking. Y'all.
We got some Texas spring water, you see me?
We got 2 cases of that. Why I went and got grocery bags, right? So we wouldn't have all them plastic bags. And I went out to Lessons. I sure did. And then
you show them that already?
Oh yeah. Gatorade. This is my favorite Gatorade, y'all. I love this Gatorade.
Good.
This is the Glacier Cherry. Oh, I know the Glacier Cherry.
And then we got my baby pack of rice. Big boy things, isn't it? Pack of rice.
You keep that out, babe, because I'm gonna wash those containers and I'm gonna put some rice in there. Yep. Keep that out. No, just put them like on the counters here. So we got milk and we got orange juice. We're gonna put that in the refrigerator. Hopefully it fits in here. Got my juice. Baby. We got some tortillas so we can have tacos for whatever night. Some garlic bread because I really love garlic bread.
Down taco night. What do you mean whatever night?
Whatever night we have tacos. We got some little apple juices because we got it free.
So I'm going to bread.
We got some bread.
No, I got you bread, but
we got bread because we got it free.
free things.
Y'all look, I shop on a budget, baby. We got some trash bags for the trash can. So guys, we got, I don't know if we told y'all, but we do have valet trash. So we're just gonna use that and then put our trash out there. I got some hamburger helper because I love hamburger helper for a simple meal. And babe got some granola cereal.
Yep.
So we can put that in here.
I don't even want to get rid of that right now.
For now. We got some cucumbers. We got some hazelnut coffee creamer. And we got a pineapple. We're not gonna put
pineapple for that pom pom.
See this boy here. We got some more cereal, some Frosted Flakes, because I love Frosted Flakes. He loves Frosted Flakes.
Yeah, I love Frosted Flakes.
We got some chips because we got it free.
You know what? Come on, next. Guys. I was gonna say this is going to this is working on because I know who will cook oxtail. Y'all dance, you can cook oxtail?
No, we can YouTube it.
YouTube it, okay.
We got some, y'all, we got 6 packs of oxtails because it was on sale.
You don't have to work for that.
Yeah, we bought groceries. We got some butter. We got some butter. We got some babe pineapple orange juice.
Pineapple for the pom pom. What? What?
We got some corn. We got some sloppy joe.
Sloppy what?
Sloppy or manwich. I like it.
Wait, what?
Y'all, he don't eat it, okay? But
What is a manwich?
Manwich, babe. Manwich.
Manwich. What you just said, sloppy joe?
That's what it is, sloppy joe. But the brand name is manwich. So we got some manwich, we got some corn, we got some
Hey, we used to all this. You see me? I don't know what sloppy joe. I never know sloppy joe exists until we move it. Important things to put on the ground. Guys, we should slap her night. Guys, she put the egg on the ground.
Babe, because it was by...
Babe!
We got some eggs, y'all. Make sure my eggs good. Got some eggs. We got some seasonings. I got some little seasoning containers. These little cute little seasoning containers right here. I got off of Amazon. I'm gonna put this in there.
Okay, well, I get some of the guys.
So I'm gonna leave that out so I can fill it up. But I do have to wash them first. We got some more juice. Apple juice. Good for the diarrhea. We got some condensed milk for tea. He's gonna make me tea.
Milk and some Jamaican rum punch, isn't it?
Some Jamaican rum punch.
All Jamaican, you know, they get some peanut, suffragant, guineas, and what is?
What is
Vanilla, peanut punch.
Yeah, let's
And some there, isn't it?
Okay, better. We got some barbecue sauce as well. So put that in here. We got some black pepper. I'm gonna leave this out. Got some biscuits because I love bread. Yeah, I love bread. I can eat bread for real. Salt. Leave this out too. We got some more corn. Some more corn. This here. Pickles, because I love me some pickles. We got some ranch dressing. We got some SpaghettiOs. I'm gonna leave this out because I have a container for that as well.
Guys, I feel like you have a container for
everything, okay? We got some sausages. We got some ground meat.
Wow.
And we got 2 packs of chicken.
Never mind.
What, babe?
Nothing.
We got 2 packs of chicken legs. Yeah. We got some adobo, some Goya. Got some hot sauce, baby. Got some more condensed milk. And I got me a turkey pot pie.
I never heard of it.
You never heard of a turkey pot pie? I haven't had it in so long. We got some brown sugar. I'm gonna leave this out because I got a container. What?
So, we leave these in the bag. They spoil faster?
I think so.
I think so.
Got some mini carrots because I like to eat carrots with ranch dressing. It's a good.
Don't play with me. Don't play with me. Stop.
So yeah, we got some carrots. We got some green bell peppers. We got some red, orange, and yellow bell peppers.
So can I make some
Rasta pasta.
Rasta pasta.
Rasta pasta. We got some oh, we forgot to get the pasta from Rasta pasta. We can get that later. Got some Doritos. Baby chips. Those are for him. Got some crackers. Got some ginger snap cookies.
Guys, we're almost done. At least the kitchen looks like a kitchen now.
Right?
Oh, you got some grits. What the hell is this?
I eat grits. Let me alone. Got grits. We got some hot cocoa for when they make me my tea. I got some fruit gushers. Period. We got some canola oil. Got some more juice, some watermelon lemonade. I really love that juice. That juice is good. Y'all gotta try it. Babe got some
Champagne, cola champagne.
Cola champagne soda.
What? Did I say it again?
Cola champagne.
Cola champagne.
Cola chaperone.
Cola champagne.
Cola champagne.
What?
What else?
We said it was in Jamaica, but though I think that's the Hispanic kind.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Got some almond milk. Babe, don't drink real milk no more.
Good. I got a science problem.
Got a big thing of ketchup. A big thing of ketchup. We got some tilapia. We got some pork chops. Yes, honey. Look at this freezer. Come on.
Come on, freezer.
Got some green bananas.
Green banana.
Cause he made boiled bananas, right?
Yeah, cause these they gotta cook like.
He made green bananas, like boiled bananas. So he got some green bananas.
So these eventually turn like that.
Yeah.
So these gotta cook like within the next couple days.
I got some regular bananas because that's how I eat my bananas.
I didn't get cornmeal.
Cornmeal? Oh, okay.
Cornmeal. Give me some.
Got some Hawaiian bread because, like I said, y'all, I love bread. I can eat this by itself. Just pop some in the oven. I can eat it by itself. Got some croissants because I like to eat these in the morning, like warm it up a little bit, eat it in the morning. So we got some of that.
Come on to the fruits, kind of.
Yes, honey. We got some fruit. We got some apples. We got some avocados.
You want to separate the apple?
Yeah. We got some tomatoes. We got some limes because they're gonna make some juice. And I use it for tacos too.
Oh, well, you just wash chicken.
Oh, and to wash chicken. And we got some thyme because, you know, who don't like thyme, right? We got some dish soap because we needed some, y'all. Seriously, I got dishes to wash, okay? We got some laundry detergent so that can go in the laundry room. This laundry detergent. So I'm gonna put it down here. Y'all, we got a watermelon. Got a watermelon.
Hey, my try anything in our family, you know?
You better catch it.
Okay, I cleaned up with them out.
We got a watermelon, so you gonna cut this, right? I low-key want to get a watermelon knife just because I feel like it'd be easier.
It's the watermelon knife. Get bougie, hey.
Whatever.
Bougie, what the hell?
We got some Tony Satch's roux because my granny showed me how to make gravy out of this.
Huh?
Granny.
Oh, you know how to make gravy?
Yeah.
I want to see you make gravy.
I know how to make gravy.
We want to see you make gravy today.
We gonna see. I got some roux. I got some mandarin oranges because I love these for me.
Don't go in the fridge.
Hmm?
Don't go in the fridge.
No, I don't. Got some noodles for me. I only got 2 packs because I want to get some of those mama noodles.
Mama Lucha?
I want to get some of the mama noodles from Fiesta. We got some fajita meat, some chicken fajita. Let me know, like right here. What else we got? Oh damn, I forgot this one too. Okay, we got I got this little smoothie pack. Hopefully it'll be alright. I'm gonna just put it back in the freezer. But I got this smoothie pack too. Okay, and then I got some mango green tea drinks. These are good. I haven't had these in a long time. Got some cheese. Got some cookies. Okay, we got 2 more packs of oxtails. Like I said, we got 6 packs total. So we're gonna be having oxtails every other week.
But that makes sense that we got more chicken.
Oh Lord, no we don't. Come on.
I swear.
Did we make it? Okay, I can put this down here. We got some lettuce because Jerome was saying make him a salad.
Yeah, but.
Oh, babe, I can make this salad and then I can make some of that fajita meat and you can have fajita chicken salad.
She make whatever. Let us have more chicken.
Okay, I'm gonna put this right on the door for now. We got my favorite chips. These little popcorn, and then we got more chips. I'll put that in for now. We got some chicken thighs.
Guys, tell them about this. Tell them about it. I'm gonna fry it up.
Y'all, Javon said he gonna fry him up some burgers. But my mama, she gave us a George Foreman grill, so I can make burgers.
I said, boy, she guys, she said you can't fry it. Man, I'm sure I said can't fry it.
He gonna fry some burgers for us, so we're gonna see how that is.
Anything is possible, yeah?
Period.
Remember that anything is possible in life.
I'm putting this in the freezer too. We got some bacon, some bacon. We got some smoked ham meat. I don't eat ham like that. I'll eat it like if I'm hungry and I need a sandwich.
That's the one for
free?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
We got it free with our company, so. And then the cheese as well. We got cheddar cheese. So yeah. We got spoons and forks, just plastic ones for now, y'all.
Guys, tell them the story about last night.
Y'all, oh my god. Okay, so we had got food right last night because we didn't have no groceries. So we had went and got us some food from Lotus Seafood. I don't know if y'all have ever eaten at Lotus, but oh my god, it's the best. So we went, let me show y'all the food. This is the food we got from Lotus. This right here and then this right here. So yeah. Y'all, we got food from Lotus last night. And they forgot to give us a freaking spoon to eat with. We had rice. That's all we had to eat with, like a spoon, rice. But we had rice to eat with. We didn't have nothing to eat with. So guys, let me show you what we have to use. Y'all, we have to use measuring spoons. Measuring spoons to eat our food. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? So, at least we had that. We have to use measuring spoons. And it was one of our gifts from our registry. So, so I'm kind of glad we got that. So we got forks and spoons. So where did I put the thing at? I put it somewhere. We got paper plates as well for now because we do have plates. We have like, yeah, we do have plates, but you know, paper plates so you don't have to wash dishes all the time. It's convenient, okay? It's convenient, y'all. We got some Oreo cookies. I'll put that right here. We got some popcorn for when we want to have movie night. We can just pop us a bag of popcorn. And we got snacks too, so we can use that.
Kitchen look like a kitchen now, man.
We got a cantaloupe, y'all. You never eaten a cantaloupe before.
No. Go and roast me.
He's never had cantaloupe before, y'all. Oh, I love cantaloupe, especially when it's sweet. You gotta get it when it's sweet, when it's good. Cantaloupe. I'm cutting this up, baby. I'm gonna have me a good old fruit bowl because we got cantaloupe, we got watermelon, we got apples, we got bananas, we got pineapple, strawberry. What are strawberries? Oh,
you.
Okay, I got me one of these little green smoothie goodness drinks.
They have to drink it.
Yes, I do. Right. I do drink those.
You do?
Yeah. Okay. I drink a whole thing in one day. We got some fish. We got some fish fry for our fish because we do have tilapia and swordfish. And then I got some tuna packs. So, yup. And then we got a bag of potatoes, of course. I love potatoes. I got me some oatmeal in the bag because sometimes, like, especially when I have to work in the morning, I just want like a quick something to eat before I go work.
But you still ain't gonna do it.
Yes, I will. Now that I have it in my kitchen. I might even do it like on days where I don't have to work. Yeah. So, fajita meat for the, we got fajita meat for
taco night.
Tacos. So, we put that right here. We got some swap fish. I love swap. Baby. I'm gonna make some shape of.
Yeah, guys. Hey, somebody buy us a deep freezer there, please.
We need a deep freezer at this moment. But I think we actually need to like get a something small to like put right here. Granny was sending me some pictures of some deep freezers. Okay. We actually need to get one now.
Oh, we do have a mini fridge too.
Oh yeah, we do.
But that's for like.
It's not freezer, like we can't, because we need a freezer.
Yeah, but the mini fridge is like water or. Can mini fridge gonna be in the room, right? Or
yeah.
Yeah.
So we got some shrimp as well for when we want to have shrimp tacos or shrimp something. We got shrimp.
Guys, we're almost done. We're almost done. Almost done. Like,
we got some strawberries. We got some grapes. Oh my gosh, I can already smell it. Smelling beautiful. We got a cake. Babe wanted this cake, so we bought a 7-Up cake.
Guys, if you guys never tried 7-Up cake, try it. Sweet, yo.
Sweet apple. We got some corn, y'all. I did not know how to pick no corn like this, but we got corn. So we got that. Let me put this in the picture. We got some corn, y'all. We got some onions. I'll eat onions if it's cooked. Like if it's cooked to where I can't taste the onion taste of it. And then we have cabbage as well, because babe's gonna make some. What you gonna make?
Cabbage.
Some steamed.
Oh, some steamed cabbage with green banana and dumpling. Black.
Did you get? Oh, you just need flour for dumpling, right?
And the cornmeal.
Oh, and the cornmeal. Okay. And so babe got a Sprite as well, because I don't drink soda. He does. That's why I got mostly juice.
Guys, the only soda I drink is Sprite.
Yeah.
And then I drink the champagne.
The champagne.
I'm used to drinking it from back home.
We got some Miracle Whip because I love Miracle Whip. I like mayo too, but I prefer Miracle Whip. We got some coffee because I do like me a good cup of iced coffee, y'all. I don't drink hot coffee that much. So yeah, that's it, babe.
That's it. We got a couple of tissues and stuff.
So we got some toilet paper as well, but I had been bought that. We got some Ziploc bags, some Saran wrap. More Ziploc bags. We got some Q-tips, some toothbrushes because we don't have any. Well, we threw all the ones we was using. We got some heady duty. We got some heavy duty scrubbing pads for the dishes. We got some more toothpaste. Oh, we got more toothpaste, and we got foil paper. And y'all, we're not even done buying stuff. We still gotta get like more stuff for the place, but that's of course, you know, expected. So yeah, that's about everything that we have, guys. Let me show y'all what the kitchen looks like.
Guys, if you guys saw the room, not the room tour, the apartment tour, guys, you guys remember how the kitchen was completely empty? Compared to how it look now, it's we're getting there. We're getting somewhere.
Okay, so this is how the pantry looks. This is how it looks now, but it's not how it's gonna stay. I just put it here just so I have a place to be for right now. So this is how it looks. This is our grocery bags that we forgot to bring. Well, I forgot to bring it.
I thought those in the fridge, the potatoes.
Potatoes? Okay. Yeah. So yeah, this is where everything is at for now. This is not where it's gonna stay. And then come over this way, we got a cake up there. We're gonna move all this stuff off and leave the cake up there somewhere, I don't know. And then this stuff is gonna be put up. This is our George Foreman grill. I gotta clean that and then put it up. This is all of our fruits and vegetables right here. Shout out to my sister-in-law for buying me this wine o'clock and coffee time.
Wine o'clock.
Oh, I gotta get my wine. He didn't drink all my juice, y'all. But yeah, this is our fruits and vegetables. It's just some of it. Like, I didn't want to buy too many like vegetables and fruits because you know that stuff goes bad really quickly, and we don't eat all day.
Because we're gone most of the day.
Most of the day we're gone, yeah. This is our seasonings. Like I said, I gotta clean those containers so I can put those in there. And then this is the freezer. Y'all look how packed this freezer is. That's why we need a deep freezer. We need a mini deep freezer.
Missing more chicken, more meat kind. Missing like salmon.
Oh yeah. Ribs. Oh yeah, we gotta get some ribs and stuff. Yep, we missing all that. This is the side right here for now because it won't fit over here. So this is what that looks like here. This is our refrigerator. We don't have that much in the refrigerator because the fruits and stuff is up here. But this is how it looks so far. This was our food from last night. My brother came and brought me some cookies. This is our fruit up here. And then this is how the door looks so far. Yep, that's how. Y'all don't mind my skincare stuff. That's my skincare. But yeah, that's what it looks like so far. So, yep. That's how our grocery haul is looking, guys.
Yep.
So, yep. I hope you all enjoyed our little grocery haul. I like doing these type of videos because, you know, with us moving and getting our apartment now, we can create more like relatable content and stuff.
Most definitely.
Exactly.
Also, guys, if you like videos like these, comment down. We can do more. Like each time we do grocery shopping, we can definitely do more of this stuff. So, cause as I said, we're missing a lot. Not a lot more. We're missing like more stuff. I still have to go get some Jamaican stuff.
But yeah, that's it. That's the end of this grocery haul.
Yep.
That's the end of it. I hope you all enjoyed this. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, and share our video. Comment. It could be the littlest thing. It could be a dot. It could be a question mark. Anything. Just comment something so we know that you all are liking the videos. Interact with us. We love to interact back with you guys. And yeah, we're excited to be back on YouTube. So
for sure.
Yep. So yeah, guys, we're gonna
don't roast me for doing that.
Roast him in the comment section below.